Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cute turkey. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. And for today's project we'll need two pieces of paper. One is just regular size and the other one like small one. And this one I'm just going to put aside. Then we'll need a marker or a pencil, scissors and glue, and then you can use either colored pencils, markers, or I'll be using crayons. And let's start. So we're gonna fold this big piece of paper in half, and the easiest way to do it is just like this. You can just kind of press in the middle, and from there just slide your finger to one side and then to the other. That's good, and that is done. Great, now grab your marker and right in the middle of the paper we're gonna draw our turkey's head. So I'm gonna draw it like this. Now let's add the body. Great. Now we can add the legs. Very nice. Now let's draw the eyes, and I'm gonna make them pretty big because later on we'll need to cut the paper inside. So if you make them too small, it would be hard to cut the paper. That's good. Now let's continue drawing. There we go. Very nice. Cute. Let's add the wings. And of course we need like a pretty big tail. So that's wonderful. Now it's time. You can like to cut this area inside the eyes. So the easiest way to do it, I'm just holding the scissors and I'm kind of like cutting the area like this, and then from there it's pretty easy to do that. Now that one is done. Now grab the other piece of paper, insert it, grab the marker again, and now let's draw the eyes. Make sure that you can still see here a little bit of a paper because later on we'll need it. Here we go. I'm gonna draw like a circle, and inside that's good. That's beautiful. Look at that. Have our turkey look in different directions. That's cute. Now let's put the marker aside and we can start like coloring. And you can decide what colors you want to use. I want like a combination of orange and yellow, so I'm gonna color the tail like those two colors. So let's say this is all like this is yellow. Now this one is gonna be orange. So I'm gonna grab an orange and color it orange. that's done. Grab a light brown. Like if you have two tones, we'll need them later on, like the darker one for the body. But for now, use the light one and let's color the head. There we go, that's done. Very nice. Now grab a darker brown. Let's see what color I want. I think this one's good. Very nice. Now grab either red, or if you have like a dark red, you can use that one. And I'm gonna color the wings here. Now I'm using the same tone I used for the hand. That's good. Now I'm going to use yellow. And we'll need red as well. Now grab the same color that you were using for the wings. That's good. And if you want, you can even decorate the tail a little bit. I'm kind of adding like a little bit, like a small arch, or like a line it can be. If you want to add like dots, that could be cute as well. And at this point, like the turkey could be done, or if you want, you can add a little bit of background, or maybe you decide to draw a cross or something. So if you want, like you can use like a light green and you can do dots or something, like small lines. That's good. Now if you want, you can use like a darker green and maybe add a few more dots in here, just to add a little bit like background. That's good. That's cute. Now, our project is almost done. Grab a glue and let's apply it like right here. That's beautiful. Great. And now it's done. Guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.